Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I will be reviewing a Malacasa baked gray lasagna tray. As you can see, it came packaged in styrofoam, and it also has the sheets in between. This is a 2.1 quart marble lasagna tray. It has the dual handles, and it is dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe. So we are about to make something tasty. So let's get into it. Now, this beautiful lasagna pan is designed with a marble pattern. Advanced marble gives each item an elegant finish that will look great moving from countertop to oven, and oven to table, and table to dishwasher. Now, it has a beautiful smooth glaze to protect from remnants against stains, make it easy to clean. It is a stackable design, so it's easy to save cabin space. And the baking pan set is of high fired and lead-free healthy porcelain. It can be used in a microwave or even up to 500 Fahrenheit and safe for the dishwasher and freezer. Now, this baking dish serves for pizza, bread, pasta, lasagna, chicken roast, and as you can see, a yummy, delicious peach cobbler. Now, I hope if you have any questions that you'll leave comments down below. Now, I am about to enjoy this piece of peach cobbler with some ice cream. Again, I would like to thank Malacasa for this collaboration. Please continue to be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. I hope you all will come back and enjoy my up-and-coming videos. Again, I was showing you there that even though it has a little stain, it is wiping off with no problem. Just wanted to share that with you real quick. But again, guys, thank you. I appreciate your support and love. Bye-bye.